Hello everyone, welcome to Videography. Today the video is about sourcing criteria of Walmart. So coming to pros, the first pro is Walmart provides free shipping above $25 items. So if you order a product that is above $25, Walmart provides free delivery. The second one is gift option on specific categories to hide price receipt from parcel. So that is the second. The way to do like for Amazon did. Now the third one is Walmart send its packaging that is the con, and that is the biggest disadvantage of using Walmart. Walmart sends a product in its own packaging, and there is a Walmart written on that box in big bold font. So the sourcing criteria for Walmart, if you are using Walmart as a supplier, so the sourcing criteria is product rating must be above 3.5, feedback must be good, and the third one is product must be sold and shipped by Walmart. So make sure that, so this is the sourcing criteria for Walmart. See the next video for the sourcing criteria if you are using Overstock as a supplier. Thank you.